Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are going to discuss about another engineering curve, involute. An involute is the curve traced by a end of a string as it is unwound from a profile, whether it is a circular profile, pentagon or rectangle, whatever it may be. Unwound profile. Unwound when we try to unwound the thread from the profile, how the curve looks like. We are going to discuss. Take down the problem. Draw an involute of a circle of 40 diameter. So once this given data is given 40 diameter, we have to calculate the circumference. What is the circumference of the circle? Pi d. Pi into 40 is around 125.66. So with this circumference, how we are going to draw the involute profile by using AutoCAD? Let's see. Once we enter into the AutoCAD, please check the initial settings, units, limits, dimension style, point style. Please check all those things once. So once we close the AutoCAD window, everything goes. So again, you have to set the initial settings once again. Primary units 0. Okay. Set current. Close. Format. Point style. Just I am checking. Set size, point size to 3. Okay. So draw the circle. What is the radius of the circle? 20. It means diameter. Please check the dimensions at the starting only. If any mistake is there, we can modify it straight away. Otherwise, once we enter after completion of the sketch, if we are able to see that the dimensions are doubled, it will be very problem. Again, you have to redraw that. Okay. So circle. I have calculated all the circumference. What is the circumference? 125.66. Make sure that ortho is on 125.66. Okay. This is the rolling circle and this is the baseline. So divide this circle into equal parts. Say 8 parts. Selecting the object. 8 parts. Enter. Now, how many parts we have done? The circle, the same number of divisions has to be performed on the baseline also. Divide. Select this object. How many elements? How many segments? 8. So give the numbering first to avoid the confusion. This is the first point P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last point is your P5. Similarly, baseline P1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, last point is the 8 point, 8 dash. Mark that point. Draw point, single point. This is my last point. The curve has to be ended there. So what is the traditional procedure? From each and every point on the rolling circle, we draw the tangents, right? So to draw that one, I am using the command array, polar array. In the modify toolbar, go to array, polar array. Select that one. What it is asking, array, select the object. Objects are selected. Enter. With respect to this center line, click on that one. How many revolution? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But how many we want? 8 divisions. Na? So go to items, 8, enter, enter. So in this way, we are able to draw the different tangents from each and every point. Now, what we will have to do, take the circle with P1 dash as radius, P1 dash as radius, circle, draw a circle and move this circle to first division, on that first division. Move the circle onto the first division, that is 1 on the circle. I am moving from here to here. So the point where it intersects the first locus line, mark that one. Draw point, single point. Okay. Then you simply delete that one and convert that one into red color. We made a regular practice. Locus lines are converted, points are converted into red color. Next one. Circle P2 dash as radius. Move that circle from P to second point on the rolling circle. P2 dash as radius, circle is formed. Move that circle from that point to second point. The point where it intersects the second locus line, that is this one. So that is your second point. Draw point, single point. Okay. Change it to red color. Again. P3 dash as radius. P3 dash as radius. Move that circle to third point. Move that circle to third point. So where it intersects the third locus point, that is my third locus point. Delete that circle. Change that point color to red color. Okay. Then and again take the circle with P4 dash as radius. P4 dash as radius. Move the circle to this center point, the fourth point on the rolling circle. The point where it intersects the locus line of the fourth line, mark that one as fourth. Give the color, apply the color, delete that one. Next one. Again, take the circle P5 dash as radius. Move the circle from here to, this is my fifth point now. Move that onto the fifth point. The point where it intersects the fifth locus line, mark it as fifth point and delete that circle. This is my fifth point. Okay. Next one. With P6 dash as radius, move that circle P to sixth point. Where it intersects the sixth line, mark that point. And change the color. Change the color. Similarly, delete this circle. P7 dash as radius, draw a circle. P7 dash as radius, draw a circle. From here, from P, move this circle onto the seventh point. The point where it intersects the seventh locus line, mark that point. Delete that circle. This is my seventh locus point. Red colors are the locus lines, locus points. If I am able to join all these points, then I will get a involute. Spline, take the spline, from P point to first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, sixth point, seventh point, and last one is the eighth point. 3 times enter. 1, 2, 3. Escape. So this is my involute curve. Click on that curve. Apply the color. Increase the line weight. Make sure that line weight is on. This one is my involute profile. And later on, what we have to do? Again, take the text command. Points on the curve is very important. Mark the points on the curve. It's the P point. It's my P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, and this one is the P8. That's how we marked that. Later on, give the dimensions of the circle. 40. Okay. Circumference dimension linear from here to here. Sorry. Dimension linear from point P to 125.7, 1.525.66, that is round up to 1 point. Sir, in this way, involute has to be drawn. Give that name also. Text. Start point 8, 0. Involute. Okay. In this way, we are going to draw this involute profile. It's very easy. You can use directly. Some other way also. Some people will, what we will do is they will polar array these points also and simply join all those things. There are so many ways, but this is the through exact procedure we have drawn all those things. The next video we'll go move for the three-dimensional toolbars. Thank you.